Today we're making this juicy, delicious, and amazing orange glazed chicken. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. I have 3 half chickens here already washed and prepped, and I will be using some orange juice, some fresh green seasoning. I have sazon, salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, some paprika, and some rotisserie chicken seasoning. Basically what I did was combine all of the ingredients, mix well, and this will be used as the marinade for that chicken. Next, I went ahead and just added the marinade to the chicken and make sure it is well coated on all sides. I even lift the skin and make sure I get up into the legs, the thighs, the breasts, and everywhere. And once the chicken is well marinated, I covered and allow it to sit in my refrigerator overnight. Don't rush the process. If you don't have overnight time, you can let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours or so. Now let's prepare our orange glaze. I will add some butter to a skillet, then in with some orange zest and some garlic. Allow that to go for about a minute or two. Next, we'll come in with some orange juice, some ketchup. We will add some soy sauce and some honey. Give everything a good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer or a boil. And I realized the color wasn't bright enough for me, so I added some sazon for color. Mix that in, let it come up to a simmer, and then in with some cornstarch to thicken. Once it thickens up, that's it. Turn the heat off and set aside. Here to a large baking dish, I added a little of that sauce at the bottom, and we will go in with some orange slices, and we will place our chicken right over the top of those orange slices. You will then preheat your oven to 375 and place this inside of the oven uncovered for about 1 hour. If while baking and your chicken starts to smell burnt, it is not the chicken, it's the sauce at the bottom. You could go in with a little orange juice or water to prevent it from burning. Now once the chicken comes out after an hour, you will go ahead and baste the chicken with your glaze. We will place it back into the oven uncovered again for about 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it out and baste it again for a second time. Put it back in for another 15 minutes. And yeah, that's it. After about an hour and 30 minutes, this is now perfectly done. We can now plate this up and enjoy. Today, this was plated with a pina colada rice, some stir-fried vegetables, and potato salad. It was chef kiss delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.